Hi everybody, I'm Anthony. I hope you well. Today I will show you how to get Canva Premium for lifetime through Canva for Education. You will get it if you follow my easy 6 or 7 easy steps for $10. So here we go. First step you will follow. Sign up for a free or VIP begninner.com account. They offer software from Warrior Plus or Gilizu for at least $5 when the software have launched since a certain time, and you can get them for really cheap, $5, you see. This one, for example, is a very recent one. You just have the front end that will show you how it works, and you can do a review, for example, for a very cheap price. So I spent a lot of time here to try every single software because I'm addicted to this kind of sometimes shiny object, but it's a very good spot to test. So you need to register here. So login or register here, create your account. It's free only if you want to become a lifetime VIP member, and you get, as I do, all the products for free. And there is a special offer here, only for 13 euros. You will get a free lifetime VIP member, and you will get access to all these software for free. But if you don't want to subscribe for a very VIP membership, you can get those software for what you want. Okay? So the second step will be to add to your cart, to add the exclusive premium content Telegram channel, as I will show you in just a second. Sorry for that. Here you will click here, and for $10, you will get access when you join the channel membership. You get access to all VIP offers that are not here in the store. And that's the way I got the Canva Premium Lifetime Canva Education. So I will show you the next steps to get this offer from Canva. So here you will need, once you paid your subscription for the exclusive premium content on Telegram channel, you pay $10 for that. You open your Telegram app and join the giliship.com exclusive VIP content channel. So it will be like this, and you see you will have the ability to scroll up for the oldest offers. Next, you will follow the step that you will see in the latest message that they send from the canal. You follow the instruction in the message using Canva for Education, and I will show you how to do that here and now. Okay, so you will have to go to a website that's called 10minutesemail.net. Here it is. It's a temporary mail provider. You will find welcome to 10-minute email. Your temporary email address was created as follows. So here you will have to find not this kind of email. You will have to find. So you will delete email address here, and you will have to find something like so it's refreshing the screen. Yes. So here we have the good ones. You will have to find an email address that finishes by email.edu.pl. You will copy that and you will just have to register with that email address on the Canva for Education here. So the final step. So register with that email in Canva for Education, and then when you have registered, they will send you here through Canva. Canva will send you an email in this website. So here you will have in your inbox here, you will have the code confirmation that you will have to register here. Okay. So once your account will be created, you will be able to change your address email in your settings. So you will have not a temporary email address, but your original one. So here was my method to get the Canva lifetime premium through Canva. So first you will have to register to regivative.com and subscribe to a membership or a VIP. Only for 30 euros you get access for free to all the software, and there is also WordPress plugin and some trainings, very good offers here, but it's not mandatory for getting Canva for 10 euros. You will just have to sign up for exclusive premium content via Telegram channel, only for $10. In the description below the video, you will find all the links through the methods you will have to, and all the steps you will have to do to get your lifetime premium Canva through Canva Education. I hope this video you will enjoy this video. Don't hesitate to like it and